Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm joined today by Nicholas Anderson, the CEO of Golden Horse Minerals. Now you've got some exciting results to share with us. Your first pass drilling at Greenmount has come out better than expectations. So can you give us a bit of an update as to what you found so far?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we did say this year we had, in excess of 20 regional targets to drill, and we have been drilling through a number of them progressively. Greenmount's just south of Southern Cross. It's about 15 k's away from Hope's Hill, our flagship asset. And this was a pretty small little program. We just put 10 holes down. Every hole hit mineralisation, which was great. We did a bit of a step back pattern as well, and you're seeing a couple of the cross sections there. But where we hit nice grades shallow, say 3 at 7, when we stepped back and went deeper, we hit 8 metres at 16. So we haven't figured out at all how big this opportunity is down here in this first pass drilling at Greenmount. But what we are excited about is what this is saying for the whole belt and all the assets we have. Is there's plenty of gold here. It's just a matter of drilling, and that's what we're doing this year with our massive 100-kilometre plus drill program.
What does it actually tell you that the grades are increasing the deeper you go?
Well, look, it's telling us that we haven't defined how big this system is. A lot of the old workings on tenure often, peter out, and the old timers knew what they were doing. They went down till it stopped and move on. It's nice when we step back and we drill deeper and we see a continuation, if not quite a big improvement on those grades. It tells us we're sitting on a much larger system.
So when we talk about the size, just how big could it get? Because you've extended well past the older workings, in fact, 115 metres past that. So what does it tell you about the potential size?
Oh, look, we don't know, to be honest. That's only something we can test with the drill bit. We finished our little program down there on this phase. We've got a good understanding of it now. So we will probably next year head back and do a bit further drilling on this asset. We're still waiting for results from 2 more little assets down just south of Southern Cross as well, Lynette and Bells, which we drilled. So we might have some more exciting news to follow as well.
Nicholas, what should investors be watching out for you? You said we're getting some more drill results, which are coming out soon. What's the timing around that? And what else should investors be watching for?
Oh, look, we'll be putting our quarterly out next week, which will be nice. It's done early, which is good. So they'll be able to see all the activity we've done through the quarter. There's been quite a number of announcements we've put out, so we'll have them all consolidated in a neat package as a nice summary for everyone. That's coming. We're still drilling at Hope's Hill. That asset just continues to grow. We're more than 3 kilometres of strike there. We're sort of 350 metres deep, and it's still open north-south and at depth. So we're still building out that asset, but we are trying to hit a number of these other regional targets. But it's not often you see hits like 8 metres at 16 grams, 8 metres at 8.5 grams, on effectively a greenfields project.
Well, Nicholas, thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to talking to you again very soon.
Cheers.